What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. We are back again with Living in Orlando channel. My name is Avery Green. I'm a trusted realtor here in Central Florida. I cannot wait to show you this beautiful home. We are going to tour a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom with a large amount of space of 2,169 square feet on over 1/4 of an acre, guys. You're gonna love this home. It has so many upgraded features such as cathedral ceilings, pavers on the driveway and the walkway, has a lovely front porch and a covered lanai, as well as a beautiful light tile throughout the home with some carpet in the rooms, and it's just very expansive inside, guys, so I cannot wait to show you. We are in Dunnellon, Florida, in the beautiful Juliet Falls community. It is a gated community. It is a golf course community with a small HOA. The HOA would cover the grounds upkeep and the pavement and the road signs as well. It's also going to include a bundle package for streaming, so you will have all of your Wi-Fi and cable needs taken care of within that package if you so choose, as well as weekly trash pickup. This is a beautiful community, definitely well maintained. If you're looking to live more of that rural lifestyle here in Dunnellon, Florida, but still have a little bit of a suburban feel, this is the home for you. This beautiful home is being offered at $355,000, guys, and we're also going to get you $20,000 in flex cash. That could be a rate buy down, that could be some upgrades, that could be covering your down payment and your closing costs. So you don't want to miss out on this opportunity to take advantage of this home. I cannot wait to show you guys this home. Let's go ahead and get started.